Namaste, welcome to Ambara Sarees, and in the video la nama paaka poradhu or beautiful dola crepe oda variety of saree. And in the saree vandu normal wash, easy maintenance, lightweight, romba azhaga irukku saree anna. And idoda rate vandu just 645 plus shipping. So in the sarees ungalku pidichaduna neenga screenshot eduthu WhatsApp 9176667331 and shop address vandu Sainagar First Main Road Perikambakam Chennai 92 la irukku. Idhula enna sarees and collections enna paakalam. So adukku munadi indha saree vandu it's a beautiful color and idhula you have a nice floral print in the madri oru floral print and alaha indha edathila chinnada borders periya borders irukum and idukana thalappu a beautiful pallu and in the saree portha varaikum pathina you have a nice flow saree vandu ungalku stiff alla illama oru pleat vaikkiradhukku romba easy ah irukku saree vandu romba light weight ah irukradnala easy maintenance pannikalam and transparent illama romba azhagave irukkudiya or beautiful saree and in the saree ku idukana thalappu I mean blouse azhaga indha mari chinna dots and design potu ipdi irukum. So this is saree number 1 and it is 645 plus shipping. In the pattern la in the saree la enna colors irukku paakalam. So first saree number 1 paathom and this is saree number 2. It's a nice blue shade, romba azhagana or blue and indha madri or borders oda irukku and idum 645 plus shipping. Next is saree number 3. It's a nice grey color. Grey la alaha pink color la floral potu romba beautiful ah irukku indha color and idum 645 plus shipping. And next is saree number 4. It's a dark apple green color. Idum 645 plus shipping. And this next is lavender, light lavender shade and idum 645 plus shipping. Romba azhagana or variety idu. And the last color vandu or dark onion pink madri irukku. And the color la in the pattern and in the design oda irukku and idhum 645 plus shipping. So in the sarees pudichaduna WhatsApp pannidunga 9176667331 and shop address Sainagar First Main Road Perikambakam Chennai 92. So thanks for watching this video. Namaste.